Today's Saturday, and it's almost 60 degrees out. We're barbecuing on Mike's new grill. Yes, Mike got a new grill. We're marinating steaks now. And what are you doing? What is that? Oh, a solar panel. You can hear all the birds. And there's a ton of them. See how they're dotting the trees? Babe, clap your hands once. Do it again. Yesterday we were barbecuing. Today we are not. This has only been going for about an hour and a half, so should be pretty thick by tomorrow.